Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady, loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I'm super excited to be sharing an unboxing from a friend, Willa Johnson. She is an amazing support to me. She is just a wonderful plant friend in general. She's always giving me, she has always given awesome comments, support, encouragement, and advice for my plants. So I am beyond thankful to her. We were able to do a swap recently. I was able to give her a wish list plant, and she sent me a box. And I am like flabbergasted with the things that I received from you, Willa. Thank you so much. Like, awesome. So let's get to it. If you guys don't do it already, you should definitely find something to do with these edges. Ooh, girl, got them baby naps. Okay, sorry. So you should definitely find someone to swap plants with. It has been an amazing way for me to add plants to my collection that I haven't been able to find in my area, and I guarantee that you'd probably be able to do the same. And I've been able to bless people with plants that they haven't been able to find in their area, and vice versa. You can grow your collection with plant friends. Get yourself a plant friend and you will be so happy you did it. It's an awesome way to grow your collection and just to bond with the plant community. You guys, the plant community, if you ruled the world, this world would be just perfect, because you guys are beyond generous, beyond amazing, beyond supportive. Just, you make people feel like they are just made of gold. Like, you give me life. So thank you so much, guys. Just find yourself a plant buddy. I don't know if that's any better or not, but alright, so this is from plant friend, subscriber that we've been swapping back and forth a little bit, and she's amazing. So Willa, thank you so much. I'm gonna get to it because I know she had some concerns about it making it here. Where's that opening? I'm trying to be careful. Alright, I can't open like that. Alright. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so see, so excited. You did a great job. Oh, I already see something amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, Willa. This is a great idea. To use the paper towel rolls. I never thought of that. Let me see. I don't know if I'm picking the right thing first. Oh boy. I can reuse a bunch of these things, so. You did a great job packaging, and I hope I'm recording. This is, oh, the timer's on the bottom, that's why. All right. Where to start? Oh my god. Okay, I think I got this one out. What is this? Wow, you did a great job. I didn't even, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to fast forward this because I'm trying to be so gentle, and I think I have it backwards. Actually, I'm, oh, no, okay. Wait a second. Oh. This looks like some kind of alocasia. Oh, I know that they don't do great in shipping, and that was one of her concerns, but the stems look really nice and firm. I'm gonna put these in, I'm gonna pot these up like today, like as soon as I finish recording. Here, so you can see the roots. It has a huge aerial root. So I'm gonna put these in soil. That, as soon as I'm done here, these are going in soil. But these are beautiful. I love the purple stems. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I believe it's some sort of alocasia. I'll move it to this side here. I don't have a big enough table for this. I don't know why I chose here to do it. I wanted to try a different area to record. Boy, this is a lot, Willa. Thank you so much. Let me see where I'm going next. She has an amazing selection of alocasias in her backyard. Wow, what is this? Oh my god. This is beautiful. Oh my god. I love the ruffled leaf. This is a great idea to put it like in these tubes. Wow, look at this thing. Beautiful. And I know this is gonna perk up super quickly. Nice root system. This is gonna do great. I love it. 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 Here. So I'm gonna put it. I chose a terrible place to record. I didn't realize it was gonna be so. Ooh. Look at this. So pretty. Looks like a variegated oh, this has a little sticker. Peperomia variegated teardrop. Nice. Really pretty. Really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see really well. I'm gonna have to do close-ups of these. Move this over. I'll leave that there so I know what I have. You said so much stuff. Well, I feel terrible. I mean, I know I was able to get you one of your wish list plants, but my god, this is crazy. Oh my god. What in the world? Oh my god. It kind of looks like a Hoya, but I want to say maybe this is the curly lipstick plant, because it's not as, I know the Hoya's Hindu rope is super thick. This looks like a curly lipstick plant, maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong, Willa, but I don't have this. This is beautiful. Oh my god. I can just imagine this, like a full pot of this draping down. This is amazing. I am so happy. Oh my god, Willa. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know where to go next. I really was not expecting this much. This is crazy. And I hope your plant is doing well. And you know, I love when you send me pictures of stuff so I see how it's doing. my god, guys, this is crazy. I know in my last video, I think it was my last one or the one prior, I was looking at this plant, the Tradescantia, and I didn't want to get it because it was huge and heavy, and she sent me some cuttings. They look beautiful. This is gonna perk up so beautifully. Oh my god. I hope I have enough pots. This is crazy. I don't know where to go next. Let me see. I want to make sure I'm getting. Ooh. The friendship plant. This is a big one. Peperomoides. I always like confuse the names. And it's not that I don't know that there's a difference between peperomia and peperomoides. I just have a problem saying that apparently. This is a nice big one. I have a little one and it's doing really well, but this is so pretty. I love these. And I love that you can, they make little babies and you can share them. I love that. Beautiful. Willa, you are the bomb.com. I am so excited. I don't know why I put this white drape here. That was the worst idea in the world. Let me make sure I have it. She put moist moss in there and some soil. That's a great idea. Where do I go next? Where do I go next? So confused. This is crazy, Willa. Like, you went above and beyond. Whoa. This is a big boy. What is this? I think I have two different things here. Hold on. What in the world? Oh my god, Willa. You are you kidding me? This is, I want to say this, yeah. Oh my god. You're so nice. This, I'm not sure, but I think she has two different, well, I'm almost positive, two different plants here. This is the variegated, Hoya Hinduro. Beautiful. Because there's another piece here, like different variegation though. Oh boy. And this one, oh my god. And I'm not sure what this one is. I don't have it. This is beautiful. And if you can let me know what kind of soil I should have it in. If it's the same as the Hoya Hinduro, like fast draining mixture, I'll know what to do. But this is amazing. I'm not sure what it is. Please comment down below or email me, text me, Willa, so I know exactly what each one is, because this is beautiful. Oh my god. There's another piece here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You are you're awesome. Wait, oh, is this the oh, I think this is the well, this is different. This is not the Hoya Hinduro. This might be the Crinkle 8 Hoya. That's what it looks like looking at this leaf. And it's mixed with, I'm not sure what this one is. Oh boy. Okay. Oh my goodness. And then here I have another sorry, piece of that beautiful Tradescantia. And this Hoya Hinduro is the variegated Hinduro. So I'm almost positive that that's the Hoya Crinkle 8 that's on there. And this, oh my god, this is beautiful. She has a huge variegated Hinduro that she sent me a picture of, and I wouldn't even dare have asked her, and I can't believe she sent me cuttings from it. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Then I have this is some kind of alocasia. I need to put this in soil like ASAP. It almost looks like the variegated alocasia, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna put this in soil today. As soon as I'm done with these videos, I'm gonna pot these all up because I don't want to lose any of them. So I'm gonna make sure I have everything out. And I'm gonna text Willa, email her right away, because I know she was worried about me getting them and them being safe. So I think that's everything, and oh my god, that's a lot. That is like a crazy amount of plants. Let me put these here. So you guys can see. I will pot them up and then show you guys how they're doing. But oh my god, Willa, thank you so much. This is crazy. I definitely have to send you another care package because I feel terrible. I don't know if there's anything that you need from me, because it looks like you have a crazy selection of plants. But thank you so much. I have to get off so I can pot these up. I don't want to lose any of these. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. That's my husband's favorite part, when I do that. Hit that bell notification. So that's not going away, guys. Sorry if you hate it. Happy if you love it. Until next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time.